Good morning, this is Gisele and I'm at the Kellogg headquarters and I'm here with Mike from Enviroscape and his fantastic crew of people. And here you'll see our garden that Brandy Williams did from Garden Butterfly, and then the fountain that you set back up for us, Mike, which wasn't really as level as we needed it to be. Now it's doing great. We see all kinds of hummingbirds and bees coming into this area, very low water. And over here, Mike and his crew from Enviroscape did what we call an edible food forest, a little edible forest garden, if you will. We have espalier apples, we have artichokes. We realized the artichokes need a little more room and more water. We also have some strawberry plants. We have feijoa, which is pineapple guava, which are fabulous if you've never had them. And what we're doing today is just a little bit of trimming. We're seeing what is really working, what's not working, what needs more space. And what we're doing is adding two of our amendments, our Harvest Supreme, which is supercharged, which I'll show you, the empty bag. And I'm a blender of products. I like to blend. So Harvest Supreme is made with wood fiber. It has 15% chicken manure. It has mycorrhizal fungi and a whole host of organic nutrients. And it's a little bit coarser. This is sort of our go-to if you have poor soil. And then we added our garden soil, which is a softer component. It's a little bit fluffier. It has biochar in it. You know, biochar is not a quick video conversation. It takes a little bit more understanding. But basically, what we are doing is taking wood fiber and we're taking it from areas where the trees have already been cut. We're not cutting, fresh forest trees in order to do this. It gets burned down into charcoal, and what that does is it gives the soil and the nutrients a place to hold on to. There's an electrical charge, and it holds the nutrients and stores the nutrients and allows the plant to take those nutrients as the plant needs it. Instead of being selfish like soil can be, if the pH isn't just right or if the conditions aren't just right, the soil might be rich in abundant nutrients, but it's not going to give up the goods. Biochar is a mediary to help facilitate the plant using the nutrients that are in the soil. So we're here today cleaning things up. Look at how great it is looking already. We have to get some proper, I don't know, we're going to figure out if we want to do cabling or if we want to do a wood structure. But this is our garden at Kellogg Garden Products, our corporate headquarters. And thank you for watching, and thank you, Mike, for coming out with your crew.